what is up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over Gala. So right now we are trading at 0.03406, 24-hour volume. We are up 17% and market cap we are up 2%. So heading over to our chart here, I've got it laid out on our daily chart and then immediate short term for 4 hours, and we're going to flip back over to 2 hours to kind of take a look at some of the candlestick activity so we know where the price is going to want to lead to. So take a look at a snap view of Gala. We've been as low on October 21st here of 3132. Now this essentially may be a huge reversal for Gala, as we can see the initial drop, just consolidation drop again here, consolidation in this downward channel and then dropping multiple times. So essentially where the price is going to go, we are looking for that attractive price to gather a huge audience to basically change the trend that's going on here. Now what's wonderful to see is that through this red indicator of our MACD indicator itself, we may potentially go into the green. And on top of that, we can be able to see a lot of buying pressure in the last 3 candlesticks that we can see here. The body itself is at the very top, which does indicate the closing of a huge buying pressure itself, and the wick at the very bottom here again, the huge selling pressure. However, the bulls were able to finish off the session. Now, as the price is going to continue to come up, we may see rejection around the 3458 and then have that pullback nicely around 38% of our fib here. Now that's kind of what I'm thinking if the price again or the MACD indicator still stays in this red zone itself for the next couple of days. Now if the price does change or the MACD indicator does change from the red over to the green closer to our 50% of our fib, then we are most likely going to be breaking out in a wonderful rally or a wonderful uptrend itself. Now let's take a quick look at the Bollinger Bands here. Now, as we anticipate, this is a daily chart, so it is going to move fairly slowly here instead of moving it very, very fast. Now, as we can see here that the Bollinger Bands are closing in. They're going to be coming in, which is lower volatility, and it is going to show us when that breakout is going to occur. So the breakout isn't going to occur anytime soon. So what the price is going to do on a daily time frame in the next couple of days or so is we're going to see really nice pullbacks. We're going to see a retest of our 50% of our fib here, and then pulling back closer to the 33.79 and then continuing upwards, so long again the MACD indicator does play out how we want it. Now, going into a 4-hour time frame, we can see how the MACD indicator actually helped this uptrend, this bull run itself. Now, as you can see here, the momentum itself was slowing down as it initiated on our RSI a selling opportunity. These two combined will bring the price down fairly quickly here. We can see again a few of our candle or a few of the bars itself of our MACD indicator grew into very stale green colors as price retested, and this is a beautiful indicator. It retested around 38% of our fib, as we know here, support here of our body as an area of support. So we can be able to put this in our books as an area of a retest of an area of support if the price is going to retrace down sooner than we know it. So here we can see, again, momentum is growing very, very strong here. We can see that the MACD line and the signal line are further apart. They're not closing in. It doesn't really give us any signal so far right now as I'm recording. It doesn't give me any signal that it is going to come in closer together. So the momentum itself is going to go fairly strong here. The RSI is considered to be as overbought here at 100%. However, didn't trigger a selling opportunity. So the price itself is going to continue to come up and hopefully again cross over our 78% of our fib. This is something that we may see some selling pressure at this area already at 78%. So where price may come down is this node right here at 33853. We may see a long wick coming down to this area and then pushing the price as high as it can. So that's kind of my video for Gala here. We are going to be retesting this area of resistance at 78%. As we can see, the MACD indicator is still growing strong, but on a daily time frame, we are most likely going to come up and retest 3458 before we see that pullback. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like the video if you found it insightful. Also subscribe down there if you're new as well, but I'll see you next time. Bye.